Yay, when your paint starts to peel in the dead of night. You call painting NoCo. The walls are haunted, the trim's gone pale. You're sighing, screaming, save me, it's frail. Then who rolls up with brushes and tow? The spooky crew from painting now.